When we talk about the airplane, I always think about the 3 years ago we go to the Japan. Because of the COVID, we can go to other countries, so we don't have the time or the access to go to the other country by the airplane. I think airplane is useful when you go to the other country because airplane is the fast vehicle, and they can let the pattern to go to another country. And airplane also have many type of the biggest airplane is A380. This also can.
Okay, when talking about airplane, and nowadays everybody have chance to take on plane because the airplane is not very expensive to everyone, and in the century, maybe 19th century, and they don't have chance to ride take an airplane because it was not very common. And now a lot of categories are transferred by airplane, but like Japan's things or Korean things, and we can know a lot of culture and get a lot of things from these airplanes. So I think the airplane is bring us a lot of benefit. Not only me and all of us.